Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the bold, powerful, and rebellious 2026 Dodge Challenger, a muscle car that's refusing to die quietly in the age of electrification. The Challenger has always stood for raw American power, and Dodge has made sure the 2026 version holds onto its roots while introducing modern upgrades where it matters. Let's start with the visual impact. The 2026 Dodge Challenger still wears its aggressive attitude proudly. The wide, low-slung body returns with a more sculpted and aerodynamic look. The front grille has been slightly redesigned with slimmer LED headlights, giving it a menacing stare. Dodge has added sharper lines across the hood and sides, which not only improve airflow but also enhance that muscular character. You'll notice new wheel designs as well, ranging from 19 to 21 inches, with optional matte black and gunmetal finishes that scream performance. Around back, the LED taillights are more refined, and the signature split tail design remains intact. Overall, it still looks like a beast that belongs more on a drag strip than in a mall parking lot, exactly what fans want. Under the hood, the performance is what makes the 2026 Challenger stand out. Dodge continues to offer a range of powerful engines, starting with a turbocharged 3.0L inline-6 Hurricane engine producing over 420 horsepower, replacing the aging V6. For enthusiasts, the legendary Hemi V8 lives on in select trims. The RT and Scat Pack now push well over 500 horsepower, while the SRT Hellcat Red-Eye version takes things to a new level with an insane 807 horsepower supercharged V8. Acceleration is brutal. The SRT Hellcat can go from 0 to 60 in just under 3.5 seconds, and it sounds absolutely ferocious doing it. Dodge has also introduced a new adaptive suspension system that improves handling in corners without sacrificing ride comfort. Rear-wheel drive remains standard, but all-wheel drive is available on select models, a welcome addition for those in colder climates. Braking is handled by upgraded Brembo systems, ensuring that all that power is kept in check. The Challenger might be a heavy car, but it's now more agile than ever before. Step inside, and the 2026 Challenger offers a cabin that blends classic muscle car design with modern luxury and tech. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a slightly tilted center console and aggressive paddle shifters on sport trims. Dodge has upgraded the materials with more soft touch surfaces, Alcantara accents, and real carbon fiber trim on higher-end models. The infotainment system now features a 12.3-inch touchscreen powered by Uconnect 6, offering faster response times, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a customizable performance dashboard. You can even monitor real-time horsepower output, G-forces, and lap times directly from the screen. A new 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster gives drivers full control over how information is displayed. Seating is more comfortable than previous generations, with optional heated and ventilated sport buckets. Rear seat space is still tight, no surprises there, but usable for short trips. Trunk space remains generous for a muscle car, making it one of the more practical options in this segment. Dodge hasn't forgotten about sound either. An upgraded 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system is available, delivering thundering clarity when you're not listening to the roar of the engine. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Dodge Challenger starts at around $38,000 for the base model with the Hurricane engine. Step up to the RT trims and you're looking at $48,000, $55,000. The Scat Pack sits near $60,000, and if you're going all in on the SRT Hellcat Red-Eye, expect to spend upwards of $85,000. Fully loaded, the Hellcat Widebody can top $95,000, but for that price, you're getting a 800-plus horsepower street-legal rocket. Dodge also offers various customization packages, from heritage-style stripes to blackout trims and performance add-ons, giving buyers full freedom to create a Challenger that suits their personality. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Dodge Challenger proves that old-school muscle still has a place in the modern world. It looks aggressive, performs like a monster, and now offers the kind of tech and comfort that make it suitable for daily driving. While electric and hybrid models are taking over other brands, Dodge is giving enthusiasts one last pure combustion experience, and it's done with style and power. If you love real American muscle, the 2026 Challenger deserves a spot on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which version of the 2026 Challenger you'd pick. Catch you in the next review.